Hi, I'm Clyde, and welcome to Cooking Made Easy. And today, we're going to get away from cooking a little bit and do something we have to do often, cleaning the microwave. Because we use the microwave a lot. I let this go for a while, and there's some splattered on gravies and soups and all kinds of stuff. Today, we clean the microwave, and we're going to do it fast and easy. I have about 2 cups of water here, and that is what we're going to use to produce some steam in here to break this stuff loose. Also, just for good measure, I give it a squirt or 2 of this Ajax dish soap and just put a shot or so of this. Sit this container into the microwave, and we're going to set this for about 5 minutes. That's been in there boiling for at least a minute or so, and it's still hot and it's producing steam in there. We're going to let it sit there for another 5 minutes, and then we'll come back. Now, we're back after 5 minutes. I'm going to take a pot holder and remove this because it's going to be hot. We just had it boiling. I'm going to add about a cup of cold water to it just to cool it down, because then I can use that to help clean the microwave. First thing I like to do is take the tray out. Now, I used it to rotate that soap around, but I can run this through the dishwasher. So we're going to take a sponge and make it wet in that, and then we're going to go along the walls of this microwave, and you're going to be able to see how that just wipes off. You can really tell how simply this stuff wipes off, because what we did was we steamed it, so it just loosens everything up. Even on the top of the microwave here, you'll find that this stuff is going to just wipe out. Once you've got the inside cleaned up nice like this, you're going to take your sponge also and hit that glass door. Now what we'll do is we'll get a new container of clean hot water out of the faucet, and we'll just go along and wipe up all the soap. Once I have the inside all wiped out with the fresh water, got rid of all that soap and everything, I dry off the door panel a little bit here on the outside. And since this is stainless with glass, normally I will take something like this glass cleaner. I use this Safeway brand. There's a million different kinds out there, but I like to hit this with some glass cleaner, and it brightens up the glass and the stainless. And we'll just clean this up on the outside. That gets your glass and your door nice and clean. Makes it easier to see in when you're cooking something. Take a paper towel then and go over the inside. That gets all your water and stuff collected up. Either wash this by hand at your sink or run it through your dishwasher, either one. Sit the little wheel assembly back in. Line up your grid with your microwave. That microwave looks 1,000 times better than when we started. Now it's nice and clean. And it was done easy and fast. Now we're back to cooking.